Hello, welcome to our channel. Please subscribe to our channel to get more of our videos. Here are 9 ways on how to get clients for video editing, and each way is explained in deep. 1. Online portfolio. Your online portfolio serves as your digital resume and showcase of your skills. It should include a selection of your best work, organized in a visually appealing and easy-to-navigate manner. Each project should highlight your proficiency in various aspects of video editing, such as editing techniques, color grading, motion graphics, and storytelling. Make sure to include a variety of projects to demonstrate your versatility and expertise. 2. Networking. Networking is essential for building relationships within the industry and connecting with potential clients. Attend relevant events like industry conferences, workshops, and meetups where you can meet fellow professionals, potential clients, and collaborators. Engage in conversations, exchange contact information, and follow up with connections afterward to nurture relationships over time. 3. Social media. Social media platforms provide a powerful tool for showcasing your work and reaching a wider audience. Create dedicated profiles on platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter to share your projects, behind-the-scenes insights, and industry insights. Use relevant hashtags and participate in online communities to increase your visibility and attract potential clients who are searching for video editing services. 4. Freelance platforms. Freelance websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr offer a platform for connecting with clients seeking video editing services. Create a compelling profile that highlights your skills, experience, and previous projects. Tailor your proposals to each job posting, demonstrating your understanding of the client's needs and how you can add value to their project. As you build your reputation and receive positive reviews, you'll attract more clients over time. 5. Referrals. Satisfied clients can be your best advocates. Ask them to refer you to others in need of video editing services. Offer incentives such as discounts or freebies for referrals to encourage clients to spread the word about your work. Personal recommendations carry a lot of weight and can help you attract new clients who trust the opinions of their peers. 6. Cold emailing, cold calling. While it may seem daunting, reaching out directly to potential clients via email or phone can be an effective way to land new projects. Research your target clients beforehand to understand their needs and tailor your pitch accordingly. Highlight your relevant experience, skills, and how you can solve their pain points through your video editing services. Personalize your outreach to demonstrate genuine interest in their projects and increase the likelihood of a positive response. 7. Offer special deals or discounts. To attract new clients, consider offering special promotions or discounts on your services. This can help incentivize potential clients to choose you over competitors, especially if they're on the fence about hiring a video editor. Clearly communicate the value of your services and how they stand to benefit from working with you, even at a discounted rate. 8. Collaborate with other professionals. Partnering with photographers, content creators, or digital marketers can open up new opportunities for video editing projects. Reach out to professionals in complementary fields and explore ways to collaborate on projects where your skills complement each other. By working together, you can leverage each other's networks and expertise to attract more clients and deliver comprehensive solutions. 9. Attend local events. Local events like film festivals, community gatherings, or business expos provide opportunities to showcase your work and network with potential clients in your area. Set up a booth or display your work at these events to attract attention and engage with attendees. Be prepared to talk about your services, showcase your portfolio, and collect contact information from interested prospects. Building a presence in your local community can help you establish yourself as a reputable video editor and attract clients who prefer to work with someone nearby. If you have any question concerning this, just comment below and please like our video. Thank you for watching.